No, it's yours.
That reach?
Yeah, it did.
Oh, plus that other guy, right? Plus,
Oh, it did reach and then you
that
pulled
guy
it.
from my work. Oh, right. He's bringing end of that.
Let's make sure we have enough battery power.
Anno Daemonicus.
Yeah.
Are you taping now?
Yeah, in fact.
Oh, behind the scenes.
Set up.
Behind the
That's
scenes.
Oh. Bathroom.
No, you can't.
You gotta use the outhouse.
Hold that right there.
I'll pee on your leg.
Pete's not coming.
He's not.
You didn't buy any beer.
Grounded? Sounds like ground phone. Be yourself, by yourself, and stay away from me. You can be something you're not.
Let's see if I can get a signal.
Who's that?
I hear
This
that.
kid named Jesse, he's a wicked punk. He's fucking real arrogant. Thinks he's the cat man.
Really?
He was running his mouth off.
Yeah. I figured he would.
Coming for the cat.
Sure.
Okay. Floor tom.
Desperately needs tuning.
Okay, this kick.
I hear that kick louder.
Next one.
Put too much
There.
overpowered.
And do a nice steady beat and do some fills.
All right. Oh, pressure.
The pressure's on.
Okay.
Shane, let me do one real quick thing. Let's do a slow roll. Like a
That Tom's?
Yep. Okay, I got it set backwards. Right, once.
Yeah.
Do it again.
There you go.
Do it again. Here you go. Go boom, 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 boom.
All the way through 'em?
Yeah. Snare.